Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put an upper rib back in place. First, carefully assess your discomfort. Pinpoint the exact location of the pain and determine its nature. Is it a sharp, localized ache or a dull, widespread sensation? It's crucial to rule out any severe injury, such as a fracture, which would require immediate medical attention. If you experience extreme pain, numbness, or difficulty breathing, please consult a healthcare professional right away. This guide is for minor, non-traumatic rib discomfort. Once you've assessed the situation and ruled out serious injury, you can try some gentle mobilization. Lie comfortably on your back, bending your knees with your feet flat on the floor. Place a small, rolled-up towel or a soft ball directly between your shoulder blades, targeting the area of discomfort. Slowly and gently rotate your upper body from side to side, moving just a few inches in each direction. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions, focusing on controlled, smooth movements to encourage the rib to realign. Proper breathing and posture are vital for both immediate relief and long-term prevention. Practice deep diaphragmatic breathing, inhaling slowly through your nose and allowing your abdomen to expand, then exhaling completely. This helps create space and movement in your rib cage. Throughout your day, maintain good posture, keeping your shoulders relaxed and back straight. Avoid slouching or making sudden, twisting movements that could aggravate the rib. Consistency in these practices can significantly aid in keeping your ribs properly aligned. While these techniques can be helpful for minor rib discomfort, it's essential to know when to seek professional help. If your pain persists for more than 2 or 3 days, or if it worsens despite your efforts, please consult a doctor. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience severe, sharp pain, numbness, tingling, or any difficulty breathing. For recurring issues, consider visiting a chiropractor, osteopath, or physical therapist who can provide a precise diagnosis and tailored treatment plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.